Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. This is the fifth in the 7 or 8 beers I'll be doing this week, and this is Saison Hiver from Burning Sky. This is actually a seasonal Saison, but a winter seasonal. It was bottled on the 29th of October of 2018, best before 28th of October of 2019. So we're in the end of June here, and yeah, it's brewed with, which I found quite interesting, infused with hawthorn leaves and berries to give a most wintry feel to the beer. But it's also brewed with the what else have we got here? It's got pink peppercorns, ginger, grains of paradise, and caraway seeds, maize, hops, yeast, spelt, malted barley, and wheat, and water, of course. So not in all that order, but yeah, you know what I mean. It's also brewed with use of Brettanomyces and Lactobacillus yeasts to ensure the beer continues to develop in flavour. So black ball cap. I'm going to try and make it a bit quick because it's actually raining. By the time you see this, it could be a bit of a heat wave. So beer in a glass. So a Saison, Farmhouse, whatever, 4.2%. Yeah, a little bit lively as you'd expect with the yeast cultures. All right, here we go. Yeah, lovely looking label. Really do like the look of that. It's pretty cool. Nice. Beer in a glass then. It had a half a finger of whitehead that's dissipated quite quickly. There's a slight lemony haze to it. There's a few particulates floating around in it. Gentle carbonation, nothing crazy. Let's give it a swirl and a sniff. So October, I'm doing this in June, so it's had a fair few months to develop, hopefully. Very kind of warming. You're getting that Brettanomyces yeast aroma for sure. Bit funky, bit horse blanky kind of thing. Very small. There's a slight touch of that red berry sweetness coming through. Let's go straight in. It's getting heavier. Cheers. Bit of spice in there, white pepper. Well, it's saying, what pepper was it saying? Pink peppercorns. Picking that up. To me, it tastes subtle. Slightly herbaceous. Slightly warming, as in a kind of that malt build. There's a slight kind of crackery, warm brown bread kind of feel to the beer. It gives it that kind of warming kind of sensation. It's not the ABV, of course. Yeah, that Brett is quite pleasant. Not too over the top, not too low. It's just kind of pitched about right, I find. Yeah, nice beer. 9 months in the bottle, so it's going to have developed, I would assume. It says brewed with noble hops and subtle spices and fermented with our local fermentation Saison culture. This spritzy beer is perfect for the cooler months, as it says on Untapped. It's great. I mean, I'm digging this a hell of a lot. But yeah, there is a slight kind of winter warmth, berry kind of warmth to it. There you go, it's clouded up a little bit. It's a nice kind of, I mean, that was really bright orange on there, but it's not quite that colour. It's more sort of that. Look, as it gets that change colour in that kind of zoom. Yeah, lovely bottle again. I picked this one up from Beer Merchants online. They had a bottle around on there, so I thought, yeah, pick it up, give it a go. Bit of carbonation, kind of expect it a little bit. Super easy drinking. I'm digging this. I mean, it's like drinking, a lot of people don't drink stout. I've said this in other reviews. I think it was probably the Porter, actually, the first one on Monday. Some people drink stouts in the winter, in the summer. Some people don't. This is kind of flipped a bit. This is more of a kind of a winter seasonal kind of brew, saison, with a bit of Brett, a bit more funkiness, a bit more spice, a bit more this, a bit more of that kind of thing. But it's working now in the middle of the summer. So yeah, I'll give it one more sip. I'll give it a rating. That's a nice beer. And the rain's getting a bit heavier, so I'm going to hurry up on this one. I was going to do another review, tomorrow's review, in a minute, but I might have to wait. I'm going to give this beer a 3.75 again. I think it's a really damn good beer, so it's a 3. So it was at 7.5 out of 10. Over to Untapped then, it's had 1,947 ratings. 5 in the last 30 days, so not many people have had that. 1,716 actual ratings for check-ins and 3.42. So yeah, pretty good. 21 people who follow me have had this coming at 3.57. So that's about 7 give or take. Anyway, I'm going to clear off. Let me know if you've had this one, this Saison Hiver from Burning Sky, 4.2% ABV. I'm getting out of the rain. Thanks for watching then. Let me know if you've had this one before, and check me out for the next one tomorrow, which will be, you have to watch tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.